Tell me what is Snowflake? In one more time, it's a cloud-based, fully managed data warehouse. So this is mainly for what purpose? Mainly for data storage, data processing, and data analytics. Simply, we can say it's an what? Analytical solution. Okay, it's a cloud-based, fully managed data warehouse, mainly for storaging, processing, analytics, huge volumes of data, like terabytes to petabytes of volumes. Now, question is that what I want to connect to Snowflake. Tell me, how can I communicate with Snowflake? Anyone? Uh, Tell me how
SQL.
using SQL. So simple thing. I want to communicate with Snowflake by using what? By using SQL. SQL. See, SQL acts as a bridge between user and a Snowflake. Okay, if I want to communicate with Snowflake by using SQL, we are trying to communicate. See, SQL nothing but what? It's a structured query language. Okay, structured query language. Okay, simple thing. So it acts as a bridge between user and Snowflake. Again, SQL divided into what? SQL commands, SQL statements, or SQL languages are basic building blocks of SQL. See, remember again, SQL nothing but what? SQL commands, SQL statement, SQL languages. So basic building blocks of SQL. Tell me, all are related to what? Are related to what? Hmm. DDL, very, very important. So DDL, then DML,
DML,
then
TCL,
then
DRL,
or
DQL,
then
DCL.
TCL. Okay, see, data definition language. Remember, these are basics, but without this, you can't able. So, data definition language, then data
manipulation line,
manipulation language, then TCL nothing but what? It's a uh,
transaction control language,
transaction control language. Then DL nothing but data retrieval or query. We are doing the query. Okay, query language. Then what is DCL? It's a data control language. Okay, see definition, manipulation, transaction, retrieval, and data control language. Simple thing. If I want to perform anything, we require this functionality. Now let me copy. Tell me in detail. We discussed what. Tell me what the commands are there in detail. Hmm.
create, alter,
Create, alter, and drop. So
delete, drop.
we'll so see, so create. What is create will do? It will try to create a new database object. Simple thing. If I want to create any database object, we'll go with create statement or create command. Simple thing. If I want to create any database object, we'll go with what? Go with create statement. So create. If I want to create any database object, we'll try to go with what? Go with so create a statement. See, create new database object. We can create a new database, new schema, new tables, views, functions, procedure. Anything we can create it. Okay, see, same thing. Next, we'll try to go with. Tell me, this is what UI? UI is what? Snowflake is a
No,
SaaS model. Tell me, what is SaaS model? Hmm.
software as system,
Software as a service. No need to install
software.
any software or any hardware. So just to create account and work on it. Okay, so Snowflake is a SaaS model. Okay, no need to install any software or any hardware. So just to create account and work on it. So SaaS model. See, let me help you in detail. See, these are important. Okay. Now tell me now, I am trying to create a, suppose, let me create one simple table. Suppose I want to create this table. It's a Covin. See, let me create one table. See, create table. So Covin registration underscore T. What, tell me what is underscore T meaning? What is underscore T?
Table.
Table.
It's a table representation. Okay. Tell me, name is what data type? Name is
Varchar.
Varchar.
varchar. Name is varchar. Okay. Let me go here. So next one, male. Gender is what data type? Gender is also
Varchar.
varchar. Suppose I'm trying to mention 100. Okay. So gender varchar. Okay. 40. Okay, same thing. Let me go to year of birth. Tell me, year of birth is YYY format. Tell me it's a what data type?
Date.
Date function.
No,
Number.
no, see, YYY.
Number.
Number, no? Number. So YY, 1980, 1990. So it's a number. Okay, see, year of birth. It's a number data type. Okay, same thing. Next one is that what? Date of birth. Tell me, date of birth is what?
Date function.
Date. So date. Next one is that what? So photo ID. So photo ID is a varchar.
Photo ID number.
No, they try to get a drop down like other or it's a drop down. See,
Okay.
it's a drop down. Now other tell me value is what data type?
Number.
Number. Suppose so photo ID proof I select passport. Tell me it will work.
No, it won't work.
Okay, so it's a varchar. So photo val. Okay, it's a varchar. So varchar. Let me put the same thing. So let me see. So what is shortcut? Control enter.
Enter.
Now this here what happened? SQL compilation error at line number 5. So tell me what issue? What is the issue?
DB is not created.
No, no.
See.
This
With
is
the
not
space.
DB.
We are given with the
This
space.
We
so
are giving
space.
spaces. Yeah.
This is
You have
what
underscore.
happened. So see, we can able. So generally spaces are not recommended. Spaces are not supported. If you want to get the spaces, we should put double quotes. But generally, what happen? No, we don't work on spaces. We should use what? We should use underscore. Underscore. Okay, underscore. Okay. Now if we see here what happened, it is saying cannot perform this table. Why? Because tell me what is the reason?
DB is not created.
DB is not selected. Okay, see if you see here what happened. If I want to create any database object, first what we should have? We should have one database, then schema should be there. Simple thing. If I want to create anything, what we require? We require, tell me, we require, first we require database, then schema should be there. Okay, let me go here. Let me see any database is there. So this database. So remember we can able to select like this or we can use command. Use database, database name. Same thing. Okay, let me go to the schema. What is the schema here? We're having SC. So see, so use schema, copy the database. We can able to select or else we can able to use like this. So this is my schema. Okay. Tell me, I want by using query, I want to find what is my database name and schema name. Tell me,
Select
select
current underscore database.
select current database. These are basics but important. I want to know what's my schema, current
Schema.
schema. Same thing, I want to know what's my username. That is current user control enter. If you see, we are pointing to this database. This schema, this is my user. I want to find list of tables. Tell me how to find list of tables.
Show tables.
Row tables.
Show tables, control enter. If you see this one, okay, if I go here, see, so database, schema, as of now, what? Two objects are there. So mute yourself. After saying mute yourself. So if you see tables, okay, see, as of now, two tables are there. What is the table? Employee table, employee raw table. Now, if I try to create, now what, where exactly to create, tell me? Where exactly, in which database? ETW dev. If you see here, now what happened? Control minus. If you see, this is the database, this is the schema. See, when I try to execute, where exactly my object will be created? Tell me. It will be created here. So three objects. Got it? So this is the functionality. So first, we need to create a database, or we should select the database, then schema, then table should be created. Okay. How it's a list of table? Show tables. Now I want to see this data. Tell me, how can I see the data?
Select command.
Using select statement. Tell me what's the category that is? That is uh, DRL. So data, see, simple thing. I want to see the data. I want to query the data. We should go with what? Data retrieval or a data query language. That is select statement. If you see one more command, see select. What is syntax? Select star
R
from
from
table name. So see,
table name.
as of now, what we discussed in the DDL, we discussed creating new database object like database creation, schema creation, table creation. Next, what we discussed, now I want to query the data or I want to retrieve the data. Tell me, how can you do all these things by using what command? Using select.
Okay.
So data retrieval or data query language. That is select statement. See, select, we'll see what is star. Select star from table name. What is my table? So this is my table. So control V,
Thousand.
control enter. If you see, as of now, data is not there. See, just we have created a table. So see, select star from table name. So far good. As of now, see. Now what happened? Tell me, in a project, daily what type of calls will be there in a project?
Calls.
Tell me, we'll have what?
Scrum call.
Scrum call or status call. Okay, or daily stand up. What it means, tell me. Tell me. Tell me, anyone.
To provide our status, what we are
Sim
doing in daily
uh,
basis.
so see, simple thing. We need to give update to all your team members. So see, Scrum call nothing but what? It's a daily stand up. Every day will all the team members will be gathering and they want to say what they have completed yesterday and what they are going to some giving simply it's a projects update. We want you to all the team members. Now question is that what? So see now it's Jira ticket. Tell me what is Jira? Tell me what is Jira?
To track the daily status.
It's a ticketing tool.
Ticketing
Ticketing tool.
tool.
It's a ticketing tool. So see, Jira is nothing but it's a ticketing tool. A Jira ticket user story assigned to you saying what they're trying to say. So already one table is there. So they want to add an extra column. See, add country column to the existing table. One more time. Here you need to understand already some table is there. In this table, they want to add an extra column. Tell me, can I drop us? So see, he's saying what? Already the table is there. Just to try to add an extra column. Now tell me how to do by using which concept? Anyone see?
Create or
Just
replace.
no. If data is there, then we can do it. It is not possible. Tell me. So create or replace nothing but what? It will drop the object. No, we don't want to drop. So he is asking,
Alter.
we need to add an extra column. We should go with alter. See,
Alter.
simple thing. So see DDL, data definition language. So data definition language. So create, it is used to create a new database object. Then what is alter? Tell me. What is alter? Tell me.
We can insert new objects.
Tell me.
We can
Uh,
create drop the columns based on that.
We can
see,
alter the table.
We can alter the
only tables are any database. Or
In a
see,
database.
it is used to modify the existing object definition. Simple thing. If it's simple, now what exactly we want? To the existing object, I want to add an extra column. Suppose I want to rename the column. I want to rename this table name, or I want to draw this thing. So if I want to modify the existing object definition, we need to go with alter. See, simple thing. Alter table name, add column name, data type. So see, these are syntaxes are very important. See, so see simple, what's the extra requirement? Already my table is there, but I want to modify or I want to add an extra column. How can I do by using what comes by using alter? See, let me go to alter. Simple thing. Let me go to alter. So table. So table name, add, what's the column name? Add
Country.
country. So country is what? It's a varchar. Tell me, all the columns are there. Now my column will be available at the starting or at the ending. Tell me.
at the ending.
Tell me. At the end.
Exactly.
Correct? So see here you need to understand what. No. Okay, see. Okay, 1 second, please. Okay, see. Now here you need to understand now my table contains six columns are there. Now when I try to add this column, the new column will be added at the starting or middle or at the last in Snowflake. Any guess? Tell me the new column will be added at the starting or ending or at the last?
It
At
will
the end.
add at the
End.
end of the table.
At the end. See, if you see the new column will be added. Same thing, tell me, second time can I execute the statement. It will throw a error. Column already exists. So if I want to modify anything, suppose like see simple thing. I purchased a shirt. Okay, it is L size, but my size is CM. Then what I should do? I need to go to the tailor and do the alteration. Same functionality. If I want to add an extra column, drop an extra column, we can go for what comes? Go for alter. See, alter table name, add column. Suppose what happens? Suppose I want to drop this column. Okay, I was like, let me add one more column. So country one. Now I want to drop this column. How to drop this column? Tell me. Same. Alter. Anyone knows? Alter table. So table name. Drop column name. Okay. See column name. See the column will be dropped. So see simple thing. If I want to add an extra column or drop anything or rename it, you can go for what concept? Go for alter command. So same thing. Now I forgot my table name. How's the list of tables?
Show table.
Show tables. Okay, see show tables, control enter. See control enter. Now suppose now client is saying, I don't want this object anymore. I want to remove this object permanently. Now we need to go for what concept?
Drop.
Any guess? Drop. See, create nothing but to create a new database. Now, what exactly they want? So they want to remove the object. So to drop or delete an existing database object. Now, how to drop? See, drop table name. Okay, let me go here. See, drop syntax is simple. So drop table name. Okay, control V, control enter. If you see here what happened, table has been dropped. Tell me this object will be there? It will not be there. So see here, you need to understand. No? So one more time. So if I want to communicate with Snowflake by using SQL, we are trying to communicate. Again, SQL divided into what? DDL, DML, TCL, TRL, and DCL. Now, as of now, what we discuss data definition language. That is, so create. What is create will do? It is used to create a new database object. Then what is alter is doing? Tell me, anyone?
To modify the data or replace
Data,
it.
data, not the data, man.
Database.
Database.
Table or tables.
Object.
Objects, yeah.
To modify the database object definition. So data is different definition to modify the existing database object definition. Then what is drop is doing? What is drop is doing? What is drop?
Dropping the objects.
Drop, we can delete the
Drop the existing database, existing data. Suppose tell me now drop table will work line number 30. No, because object is not the one. So it is just to drop the existing database object. Now I want to retrieve the data. Now we should go for what? Go for select statement. Select statement. Let me go one more example. So Hathway. Suppose I want to get the connection. Okay. See now what happened now. I want to give this details. So Praveen. So Hyderabad. Pin code number. Okay. Tell me when I click on get OTP, what happened? Your data need to be stored in table. Tell me first what we should have. First what we should have? First we should have database should be there. Let me create a database. So create database. So Hathway, tell me you'll work on which database? Production, work on dev DB. Always remember when you are working on anything, you'll have development will work in development database. See, database. Then what we should create? So create schema. So development database dot raw schema control enter. Tell me in the real time who will try to create this database, this schemas, which guy?
Snowflake admin.
Admin guy, Snowflake admin. Okay, tell me by using query, I want to find what is my database name and what is my schema name. Select current database, current schema, or go with show databases. Click control enter. Remember, if you see, there are almost like six records are there. Now, which is my database? How to figure out? See,
Select current. Select current schema.
No. Without select current schema, see the data. See your data in it. See the data and tell me.
Date and time.
No. See, suppose like create today only. No, see one more column is there. Anyone?
Name.
Yes.
Now, if you see, see
Name,
is current. If you see is current is via. So meaning which one correct?
Yeah, happy.
Okay. So is current. Okay. So is current. Okay. Why it is why. Same thing. Show schemas. Control enter. Now tell me. Same is current is why. So we can use by saying select current database or show schemas. We can able to get. How to list of tables? Show tables. Control enter. Okay. So no object. Now I want to create a new object. Tell me how can I create a new object? Tell me how to create a new object. By using what command?
Create.
Create. Now create. So create. Now I want to create this object. Tell me what name I can give for this use case. What name? Name of the object we can put any name.
Okay, underscore user.
Tell me say. We can put what? Pathway registration table or inquiry table. Okay, see, let me try to create one table. So create a table, pathway, inquiry T. Okay, so something. Now tell me now what happened. Name is what data type?
Varchar.
Varchar. Name varchar. What is 100 here? Tell me. 100 is nothing but what?
Characters.
Character. So maximum of 100 character it can accommodate. So varchar of 50. Okay, same thing. Next one is that what? So address. Address is what data type?
Varchar.
Why
Varchar.
varchar? Because alphanumeric. So special characters will be there. Okay, same thing. Then pin code. Pin code is what data type?
Number.
So pin code is number data. Okay, number. Okay, same thing. Let me go to contact number. So contact number.
Number.
Okay, it's a number. Tell me it work.
There is a space. Contact number.
Space is there. Tell me if you want to get spaces, you should put in double quotes. If I don't want, then we should use
Underscore.
control enter. So far good. Now see now what happened. I forgot my table name. How's the list of tables?
Show table.
Show table.
table.
Show table. Suppose I want to see the column name. Suppose let me help you. So see now I can get only list of column names, but I want to see the column names under data type. How can I see? So describe. So table name. Okay, see. So describe. So table and the table name will get the column names under data type. So column names under data type. So describe table. Suppose I want to see the DDL script. Okay, or definition. So table definition. How to see? One more command. Select get DDL. Okay, put your table comma table and name. So table name. Okay, see, select get DDL. Okay, see, table and the table name. Okay, see. So control enter. So see simple thing. Somebody created. If I want to see, we can able to see like this. Okay, so get a DDL. Now again I forgot my table names. How to get list of tables? Show tables. Show tables will give list of the same thing. Now what happens is select start from what's the table name? Hathaway inquiry table. Okay. Now tell me now if you see now what happened now I have entered this data. Now I want to populate the data or I want to ingest the data. Now which concept will be coming into picture? Any guess? Anyone? That is what category?
DDL.
Not DDL, DML, no? DML. So see, remember, so these are basics. Don't get confused. If you say DDL instead of DML intro, they try to reject. Tell me, insert is a what? DDL or DML? It's a DML. No, see, DDL only create, alter, and drop. Now we need to work on what? Data. See, data definition. Nothing but what? It's a DDL. Now you want to work on data. That is DML. Data
Manipulation.
manipulation language. Tell me what the comments are there.
Insert, update, delete,
Insert, update, delete, merge, and truncate. In Snowflake perspective, truncate is a DML. So insert, update, delete, merge, and truncate. So insert, update, simple thing. Now I want to populate. See, whatever the data I entered, I want to get here. Nothing but so insert. I want to populate the data. So insert nothing but what? So to populate or insert a new record where we need to
Table.
insert into
In
the
table, into the tables.
existing database tables, correct? So first database schema, then table should be there. So it is used to populate or insert a new record in the existing database tables. So syntax, insert into table name, okay, column 1, column 2, then values. Okay, so V1, V2, see simple thing. Insert into table name, column 1, column 2, V1, V2. Simple thing. Insert into table name, column 1, column 2. So V1, V2. So see, so 2 columns, 2 values. So 3 columns, 3 values. Okay, let me go here. So see, now I forgot my table name. Using show tables, we can able to get it done. Okay, see simple thing. So listen carefully, important. See, insert into, see this is the table name. Okay, so Hathway name pin code. We'll see what exactly. So 2 columns. I'm trying to populate. So 3 values. Tell me it work?
No.
Tell me. No, why it is issue? It's a SQL compilation. See, SQL will try to compile whether syntax issue or not. Tell me why it is having issue. Tell me.
Values are 3, but we are
So see,
using
so in my table there are I mentioned only 2 columns. See, expecting 2, but got 3. So we should give only 2 values. Let me try with one more column. Tell me it work?
Yeah, it will work.
One now.
No, because name
Don't
is
work.
where.
Tell me, if you see it will throw error. Expecting 2 but got 1. SQL compilation error. It will try to throw error. SQL insert value list does not match column list. Expecting 2 but got only 1. Only 1. See, insert. See now what happened. So this is not working. Now compulsory we should give how many? We should give compulsory 2 values. See, so name. So let me put Praveen. So pin code suppose like 6,000 something. Okay. Now when I try to exit worker, any guess? Anyone? Why?
Pin code is number. We are using where. So
If you
it's
see here
not
what
work.
happened, it is see instead of where cannot see it's showing invalid identifier. Left to right it will go. Tell me what is invalid identifier means? Tell me.
Instead of 6,000, we have to give in numbers.
Data
me.
type. Data type.
Tell me. Come again. Tell me.
Data type issue.
Data type issue is there, so we need
No,
to update.
this is not data type issue. See, this is a Praveen.
Value.
Tell me, Praveen is a what? It's a Alphabets. Alphabets, what we want to do, we want to put in a
Single quote.
single quote, single quote. Okay, see single quote. Okay, see single quote. So this is the single quote. So Praveen, now if you see here what happened, see DML operation failed. Tell me what is issue? What issue?
6,000.
It is
No,
6,000. Tell me what is thing?
now data type issue.
Okay, see, tell me what is issue? 1 second, please.
Data type issue.
1 second, please.
Because the pin code we have provided while creating the table, that is data type, it is different.
Oh, sorry, 1 second, please. See, now if you see here what happened, see here you need to understand what, no? So DML operation. So meaning, so if you see it is throwing some issue. What issue? It is 6,000 is not recognized. So what it means, tell me, insert into pathway. Now see pin code. Now what happened? Now you need to check the columns. Tell me how to check the columns. So
Describe
describe
table.
table
Table.
Table name.
table name. Okay, see, let me see. Now, what is the issue with which column? So, pin code. So, pin code is what data type? It's a
Number.
number data type. Okay. Now, how to see this one? Tell me. See, it's a number, but we mention alphabets. So, it will support only numbers. Correct? Okay, see, 6,000. Okay, now let me see the data. Okay. Select star from pathway inquiry T. Okay, control enter. Now if you see here what happened, now how many columns we have there?
Oh,
2,
Tell me.
4
4
columns are
columns there.
Tell me. So see, there are totally 4 columns are there. But how many columns are, how many values we are trying to pass? Okay. So
two
see,
columns.
two columns. Okay. Now what happened for remaining? What values will get populated?
Null value.
Null value will be populating. Okay, see this one. Now if you see here what happened, so see nulls. We'll see what is null later point of time. So see the data. Now data is getting populated. So see as of now, just for today. Okay. Okay, see. Now what happened? We'll try to see. Okay, see this data. Okay, so we are trying to populate this data. Okay, so for now, your task, I'll try to give some task. Let me go here. Let me go to the same thing. Okay. Now your task. So tell me what is this one data migration project? Tell me.
Data migrates one environment to environment.
Tell me. It's a data migration project. Tell me what is migration project?
From legacy system
Legacy
to
system to
cloud or
Okay, tell me. See what happened. So see. So it's a what? Okay. We are trying to move the data from Oracle to Snowflake. Tell me what is phase one? Tell me what is phase one? So it's a, okay, see, it's a what? Okay, so in the phase one, we are trying to migrate the tables from where? From on-premises to Snowflake. Okay, see, table. So what is sprint? Tell me what is sprint? What is
It's
sprint
a
meaning? It's a 2 weeks of sprint will be there. Okay, suppose what happened? August, okay, August 17th. So 2, okay, 28. Okay, 28. Okay. So 28. Okay. So same. Okay. Now what happened now? We with what's the requirement? The sprint planning. So we want to migrate. Now what exactly they're asking? So create this database for understanding purpose. So database schema, this is the same thing. Next one is that what now you want, tell me now, I want to point to this database. How to point by using what concept? Tell me how to point. Tell me how to do, tell me. In the current session, tell me, I want, there are multiple databases are there. How to point, tell me this one. Tell me, use database name, correct? Tell me this one, how to create a table, by using what concept?
Create.
Create statement. So create statement, okay, DDL, DML. Okay, so far good. Then what we discussed, tell me this one. This one what?
Alter.
Alter. Okay, see, alter. Okay. This one.
This is
Tell me
also
this
alter.
one. Tell me this one.
Alter.
Alter, no. Definition, tell me.
Alter.
Alter, no,
Alter.
alter. Syntax.
Alter table.
Alter
Table name.
Alter table name.
That's it, huh?
Where country equal to
Your country. Tell me.
For
First,
adding, we use add or drop.
no.
For,
See, we need to rename. Okay.
in I
See,
think update.
update. Update is a what?
Updating.
See, remember. See, syntax. See, that's what now. See, now what happened? Show tables. So control enter. Okay. Alter. So table. Okay. So table name. Rename to. Okay. Okay. Now tell me now what happened. Now the name will be this name or this name.
inquiry_t_c, new one.
Okay, see this one. See, select star from C. This is the functionality. Okay, so got the pointer. So we need to work on. Okay, alter table name. Okay, so got the pointer. So this is the way we can able to make it working. Okay, got that. So this is the functionality. Okay, clear so far. So see, for now your task is that what? So try to create these tables. Okay, be comfortable. So here you need to understand what no. So try to create this tables. Okay, let me go here. So for you, today's task is to create. See, this is the syntax. So, okay, try to create the tables with the following. See, give proper naming. So naming should be proper. Spelling mistake should not be there. So coding alignment, semicolon should be there at the end. So see, so make use of Notepad++ and follow the indentation. So this indentation should be properly followed. So this is the functionality. Got it? So see, this is the way you can able to make it clear, getting the pointer. So co-win registration. So we want to make it working like this. Okay, see, so okay, so your task is to create the same thing. Let me go here. Let me see the same thing. So create all these tables, okay, with the proper. Suppose tell me if I want to create, so create one Aadhaar table with the following columns: Aadhaar number, name, address, mobile number, email. So there are totally 5 columns are there. So we want to populate all the 5 columns. Okay, so with the same thing. Got the pointer? So this is the way we can able to make it working. Clear so far? See up to here, see here Aadhaar number, name, address, mobile number. So these all things we need to get it done. So clear so far? So this is the functionality. Any doubts so far? So your task for now is to create the database, create schema, create multiple tables should be created. So this is your task for now. Okay, and also so see and try to follow the naming standards. Okay, so proper. So when you try to solve this, you'll get comfortable. Tomorrow we'll try to see update. So truncate, delete, we'll try to do CSL. As of now, just to try to create. Okay, tomorrow we'll try to see one complete example of creating the table, inserting, updating, committing. So we'll see TCL commit the transaction. Okay, see TCL like some difference between normal database. Here, if you see your data will be auto, we'll see auto committable. What is auto committable? All these things, we'll see everything in data. Okay. So this is the functionality. And also so far.
If you alter the table name, Praveen, if
Hmm.
that is using in any other places, is it will affect, right? Or
Tell me.
if we do alter the table name,
Hmm.
so the table name got changed,
Hmm.
and if that table is using in other places,
It will be breaking.
it
No,
will.
it won't work. We need to
So
modify.
in all the places, it should be
I mean,
modified.
modified. Okay, so generally that is not recommended because if you try to change, no, all things will be modified. That's what.
Okay, so just for learning, we are using. Okay,
Generally say at the starting point, no, but sometimes if you get a requirement, we need to change all the
all
places.
the
We need to.
places. Yes.
Chalo.
Yeah, thanks, Praveen.
Praveen, in DDL operation, so can we drop the schema and database?
Everything can be dropped. Okay.
Okay.
But generally, generally what happens? Suppose if I drop schema, okay, what is my schema name? Class schema. We can drop, but so we don't have the access in real time. Okay, so only we'll work on tables, functions, procedures. Everything will be there.
Okay. Thanks.
So go slowly. See, step by step, we need to get comfortable. Okay, so database schemas, all these things we need to work it. Okay, chalo. Okay, we'll see tomorrow.